This week you're going to be doing 2 pages in your student activity book, and the first page is about adding angle measures. So you can take 2 angles and actually put them together to create a bigger angle. So you can see for number 1, they have 2 different angles. They have angle ABD, that's one angle, and then you also have angle DBC. I always say it so that this vertice B is in the center of the angles, and they give you the measure of both angles. Both angles are 45-degree angles. They're both acute because they're less than 90 degrees. And then you have to say what kind of angle is formed when you put the 2 angles together. So in order to do that, I would have to add 45 plus 45, and I'm going to let you do that math. It's going to give me a measurement. If it is less than 90, that means that it's going to form an acute angle. If it measures exactly 90, then it is making a perfect right angle, and if it is greater than 90, it is an acute angle. And then I'm finding out the measurement of ABC. What is the measurement of this angle right here? So then you'll take a look at number 2. You say angle EFH, 30 degrees, HFG is 60, and then you're going to add them together to figure out the angle of EFG, this bigger angle, and figure out what is the measurement. And then again, you have to identify, is it acute, is it obtuse, or is it a perfect right angle? And then for number 3, you're going to look and you're going to see in another angle that we did talk about, aside from acute, right, and obtuse, is a straight angle. And I just want to remind you that a straight angle, which is like a straight line, that equals exactly 180 degrees. So if it's a perfect straight angle, it's 180 degrees. The last one, it says an angle is made from 2 angles. It measures 80 and 70. So you're going to write that equation and figure out what would the whole measurement of that angle be. And you can also draw it out on the side if you would like. Okay, looking at your next page. You have a bunch of different angles up here, as you can see. And then you have to kind of find which angles are going to work for you based off of what the question is asking. So it says, which 2 angles would you put together to make a 75-degree angle? So obviously I can eliminate this one because it's already bigger than 75. So I have to figure out, okay, what 2 would I put together to create that exactly 75-degree angle? So if I look at angle ABC, 35 degrees, and then I look at angle DEF, that's 40. So 40 plus 35 is 75. And how I want you to write it on there is you're going to have angle ABC plus angle DEF. So I know what 2 angles you're talking about. And then you're going to do that for the next few questions. Remember here when it's talking about a straight angle is 180 degrees exactly. A right angle, they need to be added together and equal exactly 90. Then it's asking you if you add all 5 of the angles together, what would it measure and what figure would you form? So would it be a straight angle? Is it going to be 360 degrees? Because remember, 360 degrees is a circle. Number 11, it says use a protractor and a straight edge to draw the angle formed by putting angle ABC and angle KLM together. Show its measure. We have not talked about protractors. We're going to do a different activity with that one, so you can skip number 11.